Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gloria B. You already know I'm back with another video. So I know I'm not in my normal setting, but you know, when you are a mother and you got stuff to do, you gotta record a video when you can record a video, okay? So I'm in the car while I'm waiting on some things to get done, and I decided to make this video very recently actually, because I see a lot of this going on, and a lot of people, you know, have talked, well, not a lot, let me stop talking like I'm just, you know, but there are young ladies and young men actually that have talked to me about this, and I decided that this would be a good video to help somebody that was struggling with this as well. So by the title, you know that I'm talking about self-love. I'm talking about loving yourself, caring for yourself. People struggle with it because they're like, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to love myself. And you need to figure out what self-love truly and really is, because that'll help you connect to this journey. As you're going through this and learning how to love yourself, figuring out why self-love is important will help you. And within loving yourself, this is not something you can just do casually. This is something you have to be committed to. This is something you have to have consistency with. This is going to take a process. Self-love is a journey, and you have to be committed. One of the things that helped me to be able to love myself better was to forgive, and that is an important principle. You have to forgive. Yes, I've been done wrong in my life. I've been, you know, did bad in relationships. People have done me bad outside of relationships and stuff like that, and I will always cling on to that, because it was like, why would you do me like that? Because I wouldn't do you like that, and it would hurt, and after I would hurt, I would move past it, but I didn't necessarily forgive, and so it was holding me back from loving myself. You have to forgive because it'll help you heal. You need to let go of anything or anybody that has hurt you, let go of the past, and move forward. And also, you need to forgive yourself. Me, I tell y'all like a lot of times that I am very, very hard on myself. If I make a bad choice, if I do something that I feel like I could have did better with or anything like that, I will literally just like be hard on myself. And I had to learn to forgive myself. Like, you're okay. Like, it's okay. You didn't know at the time. You're smarter now. You won't make that bad decision again. Like, forgive yourself. And within forgiving yourself, that helps you take back your power, because now you're no longer playing the victim. I know how easy it is to say, well, I act like this, or, you know, you lack self-confidence or self-esteem because so-and-so used to talk to you any kind of way, or this, that, and the other. But you have to forgive so you can take back your power, so you can take ownership. You can't go around blaming people for the way you act no more. You got to be able to say, okay, I'm going to change because I love myself and I want to be better for myself. And so within forgiving and taking back your power, sometimes you have to separate yourself from those things that are causing you not to be able to love yourself the way you should. Whether it's a relationship, certain people, whatever it is, you have to let it go. You have to be able to isolate yourself, and sometimes it will make you feel like you're lonely, but you really aren't lonely. It's just you're not used to being around the regular crowd, and that's okay, because after a while you'll start feeling better about yourself, and that's why you need to let certain people go. I know for the most part about myself, when I was going through a really just depressive time and stuff like that, I isolated myself, but the mistake that I made is that I didn't replace the negative people with positive people, and you can't forget that. It's okay to remove people, but there are some times where you have to add people too. And so once I started surrounding myself with the people that I knew loved me, I knew supported me, I knew were there for me, I felt so much better. So while you're letting go of all the negativity, add some positivity into your life. It may not be the regular crowd that you're used to, but you need that, because you're trying to love yourself. You're trying to take a different journey, and the people that you used to have just can't take you where you're trying to go. And so while you're surrounding yourself with positive people, you'll begin to feel the energy change from all that negative energy to that positive energy. And in order to be able to sustain that energy, you have to be able to have self-compassion for yourself. You're still going to make mistakes along this self-love journey, but you need to be able to have enough compassion for yourself to say, okay, I'm growing, I'm learning, this is going to take time. and you need to be able to talk to yourself gently. I'm the type of person, I was very, very hard on myself. Sometimes I still am, but I learned how to talk to myself, how to tell myself, you're learning, you're doing good, keep going, stuff like that. Have self-compassion. One thing about it, you could start surrounding yourself with positive people, but if you're still being negative, they'll soon fall away themselves because they're not used to that negative type of energy if they are positive people. So you need to be able to have that same energy that you're requesting. Another thing that you need to do is to be able to take care of your needs. When you are on this self-love journey, the key word is self. You don't need to be able to be dependent on others to fulfill you with something that you can do for yourself. And that goes along with other things too, whether you need to get a job, or whether you need to get certain stuff financially, or whether you need to get certain stuff physically. Whatever it is, this is gonna take you saying, okay, I'm gonna have to do it by myself. And it might not feel good because you feel like people should help you, but this is self-love. This will help you to love yourself more because you'll feel more accomplished. You'll feel better about yourself because you know what you have done for you, and can't nobody take that away. And so as you're going along this journey, there are going to be some people that notice that, oh wow, she's starting to feel herself, she's starting to act different, whatever. And at that point, it's going to be some of the people that are closest to you that's going to start talking. But this is where you got to set a boundary. This is where you got to say, okay, this is how far I'm going to go with this conversation, or this is how far I'm going to go with this person. And the best way to do that is to listen to your spirit. Don't just speak off impulse and, oh, I'm finna cut them off, nothing like that. You got to be able to listen to your intuition, move carefully, listen to your spirit, and that'll help you to be able to go along this journey and to set boundaries with people, because now you just can't go far and beyond with people. Now you just can't take anything from people. You're trying to love yourself, and if you're talking kind to yourself and being kind to yourself, you need people that's going to talk to you kind and be kind to you as well. And so the final thing, in the beginning I did say that you need to commit, but you also need to be able to form habits that make you feel loved. So the thing for me is, I love to get my hair done, I love to do my hair, I love to, you know, make videos and stuff like that. And this is part of me loving myself, to be able to make my videos. And so you need to find what you love to do, find what makes you happy, find what makes you feel loved, and do that. Make it a habit of doing it, whether it's drawing, whether it's painting, whether it's dancing, singing, whether it's going, you know, certain places or things like that. You need to be able to form habits. If you gotta wake up in the morning, pull a sticky notes on your mirror while you're brushing your teeth, you're reading it, or you're reading scriptures or whatever it is, that's what's gonna help you, because you're seeing this stuff. Repetition is the key. You need to see, hey, beautiful. You need to see that the joy of the Lord is my strength. You need to see, oh, you are so kind. You need to see stuff like that every day. You need to do this every day. So form these habits, and I promise you all of these tips will help you to be able to love yourself better. You know, as I've done these things, that I really do love myself better. And you know, it's not about no cockiness or nothing like that, but you know, when you love yourself, there are certain things that you will never ever tolerate again. There are certain things that cannot even phase you, because I love myself and I care about myself. And at the end of the day, anybody can walk away out of my life, but I'm gonna always have me, so I always need to be kind to me. So I hope this video helped you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you. Make sure that you share. I enjoy making these videos, and I enjoy all of the feedback. I enjoy the views and all of that. Thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, so I'm excited about that. And you know, as I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all be blessed, and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.